Udhayanidhi Stalin is an Indian film actor, producer, and politician who prominently works in Kollywood film industry.He is member of the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly from the Chepauk-Thiruvallikeni constituency. He entered the film industry as a film producer and distributor with his production studio, Red Giant Movies, and made films including Kuruvi, Aadhavan and Manmadan Ambu. He subsequently made his debut as an actor through the romantic comedy, Oru Kal Oru Kannadi, and has since continued producing and starring in his own films. Udhayanidhi Stalin is the son of Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu M.K. Stalin and the grandson of former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu M. Karunanidhi. He did schooling in Don Bosco and his degree BSc in Visual Communications from Loyola College in Chennai. Several of his relatives have been actively involved in politics and Tamil cinema since the 1960s. His cousins Arulnithi and Dayanidhi Hajiri are an actor and producer, respectively. He is married to Kirithiga in 2002, and the couple have a son and a daughter. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.